Miss talking to you, my bro. No cap, man. Say,
Hey,
we.
your people there? Tell your people, your 49er people, I said what up. I forgot
She
about
should,
them.
hey, 49ers, how you doing?
Tell her I said what up.
Bars. Let me see what you doing. Oh, my knees pop like a pistol.
You got some garbage on your wall, too. I don't know what to do.
Already tap in, man. Say, man, we the best, bro. We just chilling up, man. Here we go get this money. You already
Since you,
know.
since you got that garbage on your wall, you get you some real
See,
spray paint for your
that
wall.
why. Oh,
You
I
get
gotta
you some real
highlight that
spray
one.
paint.
Yes, you
I
already
got
know.
two. I'll mail you
I
one.
already
I
know
got
you,
two.
man.
I got
I
two.
got
And
two
you
cups,
get
one for
two
the candy,
dollars,
one for the water.
two
Hey, already, I see
dollars a
you popping
piece.
out. Hey, I ain't gonna hit you with it. I ain't gonna hit you with it. I ain't gonna hit
Two
you with
dollars
it.
a piece for
I
these.
already got it on. I already got it on. You hear me? I keep it on me. I keep it on me. Yes, sir. Bar. Oh, he represent to the fullest on the bar. 49er Nation bars. I ain't no hater. I represent the bars. He gonna come with the funk anyway. Say that's why I was ready anyway. I gotta stay ready. Yeah. Oh, got them backwoods. And he's smoking on good. Bars. We the best, man. Appreciate you showing love, bro. Man, you already know, man. If you wanted to rain, but now don't look like it's gonna rain no more. You take this big ass
It's,
coat
uh,
off. Shit.
it snowed. It snowed a little bit out here. It's some melted though.
What? That's what's up, bro. Nah, we ain't gonna get it like that now. Nah, we ain't gonna get no damn snow. No. I know you lying.
Oh, you in Texas,
Mm-hmm.
man? Y'all ain't used to shit like that. I'm used to all weather.
Oh, shit.
We
Say,
get
you saw zip this bitch up.
we get rain, sleet, snow, blizzard,
We,
tornadoes, hail. We get every kind of weather.
no, I'm gonna go home.
And we get all that shit. We got
I'm gonna
seasons.
go
I
home.
was in.
Home.
I remember I went to Vegas a few years back to pick my son up, and it was around January or December. It was right after Christmas or right before Christmas. It was a while ago. And to go somewhere where it's fucking bright and sunny on Christmas is weird to me, because I'm used to it being cold with snow on Christmas. Where I live at in December,
So
it
you
looked like
was
the
suited up
commercials.
and shit. You was
Hey, look,
suited.
where I live at on Christmas, it looked like the commercials. Let it snow, let it. It looked just like all them commercials. To go somewhere where it's sunny and 75 degrees on Christmas, that was weird as hell to me. I was like, what the? Niggas was walking around in shorts and beaters and flip flops in
Yeah,
December, January.
like,
So that was weird to me to go somewhere
oh,
where
no, bars. Hey, look at her. Hey, Miss Palmer.
what's
49
going
Nation.
on.
You see she got her shirt on. Represent
Yeah, I see it.
Debo.
Hold on. There you go. I'm I'm I'm
Look,
I'm
there you go. Represent.
I'm
Represent.
I'm
Represent.
seeing you. I'm gonna send you and your lady these two. This is his and hers. This is
Oh, Lord,
this
you
is this is the
crazy.
boy one. This is the
Say,
girl one. This for her. Don't use her cup. This hers. This yours. See the difference in them?
okay.
See the difference? That's good enough. If you can't see the difference, because ain't no difference. 49ers, buddy. This hers, this yours. Okay? Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
Lord
Merry
Jesus.
Christmas, y'all.
Say, I
Merry,
know you lying. You
Merry
know,
Christmas.
I know
These y'all
you
Christmas gifts.
lying. Oh, Lord. Y'all know he
Ho,
hot.
ho, ho.
Hey, look, what you say? Yes, indeed. No, she lying. I know you lying.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, shit. Oh,
I got
shit. She lying.
I
She
got the
lying.
beard. I got the beard, but
Okay.
I ain't got the belly though. But ho ho ho, niggas. I got the beard, but I ain't got the belly. Don't get it.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, nah, I know you lying. She better stop lying, man. Don't listen to her. Miss Palmer be lying. She be on some more shit.
Hey,
I know you.
I'm
I
I'm I'm
know
I'm,
you lying.
I'm Saint nigga.